How to find the admin of a Facebook page, or more likely a administrator. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can go ahead and then actually find out who is the admin of the Facebook page. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first of all, on Facebook, you want to make sure that you are logged into facebook.com. Now I'm currently logged into my personal profile. So in order to find out the admin of the page, I have to log into that specific page. So on the top right hand side, I can see my profile here. Then I have to click on see all profiles. Here I'll be able to see other pages. Now Facebook did not have this feature to log into each specific page before, but now we do have that option. So let's say I want to view the admin of this page right over here. I'll just go ahead and select that option. Once I go to that specific page, I'll come to this specific profile, and then here this time you can see my new page name is over here and the page name. Again, what we want to do is just click on the profile icon on the top, but this time we want to go to settings and privacy, and then go to settings. And once you go to settings and privacy and settings, you'll come to this page where on the left hand side you'll find the option called new pages experience. Just click on it. Once you go to new pages experience, you'll be able to see a list of people who currently has access to this specific page. So currently you can see me over here. If I click on it, it says this person has full control. If it says that this person has full control, it basically means that this person is the administrator. Similarly, if I select another option here, you can also see this person has full control. The similar is the case for any of the other one. Now if it says that this person has partial control, then it basically means that they are not the admin. It means that they are just editors or moderators or some kind of specific permissions like that. But if the person has full control, it means that they're all the admins in this page. If you want, you can remove them right over here. You can select the change access level. You can just select the access level right over here, and that's all it takes to go ahead and then find out the admin of the Facebook page. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.